Boy, another horrific earthquake in Mexico. 248 dead, 7.1 magnitude. Wow. It was located in Pueblo, which I'm told is around 75 miles from Mexico City. They said 20 kids have been confirmed dead after school collapsed. Another 30 children and 8 adults missing. And this comes just days after they had an 8.1 magnitude earthquake. And that killed 98 people. Whoa. And it occurred exactly 32 years after a 1985 quake in Mexico City that killed 10,000 people. Whew.
That's a lot.
Incredible.
You know, I don't even know how people survive after that. But you know, Mexico is prone to earthquakes. We know that. And you know what's interesting? The way that we can capture the moment right there with social media right now. I mean, watching those buildings come down with the tweets that have been going around, it's devastating. But we are definitely getting real-time imagery of what is happening, and it's definitely heartbreaking. And we continue now with the devastation across the world, and very close to home, another one, Hurricane Maria, lashes Puerto Rico this morning after slashing Dominica. It's a Category 5 hurricane. It was mind-boggling devastation to see what happened in Dominica. They lost internet. You know, about 40% of the island has been without power, and flooding has been reported in several communities. It's 175 miles per hour, and it's, you know, additional strength may happen. We're keeping our eyes and ears open and sending our support to Puerto Rico right now. The Public Safety Commissioner, Hector Pesquero, told the Puerto Ricans that you have to evacuate. So for our Puerto Ricans who may still be watching us right now on onespotmedia.com, Public Safety Commissioner Pesquero says you're going to die otherwise. So please evacuate if you can. It's still a Category 5 hurricane, and I'm sure TVJ will be reporting the outcome of that later on today. And when, you know, we heard what he said about, that's Public Safety Commissioner Pesquero telling Puerto Ricans to evacuate, our own local government and community development, Desmond McKenzie, says that he'll be putting regulations in place to allow for mandatory evacuations in times of natural disaster here in Jamaica. He said the regulations are far advanced and will make the Disaster Risk Management Act more effective, particularly in relation to compulsory evacuations from areas deemed vulnerable to severe weather such as hurricanes and tropical storms. So it can happen to us. We have to prepare. We do know that it costs about $30 million has been invested in rescue response equipment currently, and we just hope that if one hits, that we are ready. But he's not taking, Minister McKenzie is not taking any chance at all. He's not taking any chances. We pray for our neighbors, and we pray for our own preventative measures to be in place, just in case something happens with climate change and everything else going on. You just never know. But that's what's been going on.
Yeah, not great news in the hot topics this morning, but
it's hot.
Yeah, sometimes we have to talk about serious stuff. All right, time for some birthdays. I want to say belated happy birthday to my very good friend Lance Whitaker, who works over at Sports Max. His birthday was on Monday, and probably for the first time since I met him, I didn't tell him happy birthday on his birthday, but I think, you know, some love you still bridging. So I hope you had a great day. I wish you many, many more. And my goddaughter, Nia Collins, her birthday was yesterday. I wasn't here yesterday. I did reach out to her. She's at Rutgers University. I think it's in Jersey. Boy, so very proud of you. I'm very, very proud of you, and I love you so much. Hope you had a great day. And good morning to my very, very special friend, Novlin Small. I hope you, well, be strong today. Be strong today. All right? What you got?
I have a birthday. This one is to Yannick. Big up the whole Riverton Massive. Yannick from Riverton. Happy, happy, happy birthday to you, beautiful one. I have another one here coming in on my Instagram, and I promised I would. This one is coming from Alexi the Spaghetti.
Alexi the Spaghetti.
On Instagram says, hi, my friend Danielle Johnson from Arden High School is celebrating her 17th birthday. And it would mean so much if you announced it on Smile Jamaica. So I'm doing it for you, all right? Isn't it amazing how we can just connect on social media like that? So easy to keep the world connected. So happy birthday to you. To all the children waking up right now, put a smile on your face, especially those in children's homes, those in foster care. Do know that you are wonderful. You're made for purpose. Yeah, so walk in it, believe it. Put a smile on your face like we do every morning, and know that you're wonderful. Happy, happy birthday.
And happy birthday to Coach Meron Gordon, national coach at Lennon High, and champions, Ben Francis champion. So, Coach Gordon, my good friend,
Happy birthday, Coach.
have a great day today. Happy birthday, folks.